Polygonum multiflorum is a kind of tonifying medicine. The common Chinese herbal medicine Polygonum multiflorum belongs to the dried root tuber of Polygonum multiflorum. Polygonum multiflorum is slightly warm in nature, bitter in taste, dry and astringent. It can treat many diseases. What are the functions of Polygonum multiflorum? Since Polygonum multiflorum has many benefits, how to use Polygonum multiflorum? Our common ones are raw Polygonum multiflorum and Radix Polygoni Multiflorum. Raw Polygonum Polygoni Multiflori is only purified and cut Polygonum Polygoni Multiflori, bitter, sweet and astringent, slightly warm, and returns to the liver, heart, and kidney meridian. It has the functions of detoxification, eliminating carbuncles, cutting malaria, and laxative. The dosage is generally 612 g. Polygonum multiflorum is processed by adding auxiliary materials, steaming, cooking, drying, and processing. It has the functions of nourishing liver and kidney, nourishing essence and blood, strengthening muscles and bones, and black beard and hair. The dosage in the Pharmacopoeia is generally. Radix Polygoni Multiflori has significant curative effect on deficiency of essence and blood, dizziness, premature graying of beard and hair, soreness of waist and knees. Radix Polygoni Multiflori can nourish liver and kidney. Benefit essence and blood, chronic malaria, carbuncle, scrofula, dry intestine and constipation, black beard and hair. Raw showu has the effects of cutting malaria, detoxification and laxative. Efficacy and function of Polygonum Polygoni Multiflori. 1. Moisten the intestines and laxative. Raw Polygonum Polygoni Multiflori contains cresophenol, which can promote the movement of the intestinal tube, and has a better effect of laxative and laxative. If symptoms such as constipation occur, you can use raw Polygonum multiflorum to increase the frequency of bowel movements. 2. Prevent anemia. The use of Polygonum multiflorum can supplement the body with a lot of blood-enriching ingredients, which is beneficial to enhance the body's hematopoietic function, and can also promote the synthesis of hemoglobin in the human body. It has a better effect on relieving symptoms such as dark complexion and blood loss caused by anemia. Drinking boiled water with Polygonum multiflorum can also prevent anemia. 3. Treatment of liver and kidney insufficiency. Polygonum multiflorum has a good protective effect on the liver. It can not only repair damaged liver cells, but also prevent the damage of fat and some harmful substances to the liver and protect the liver function. In addition, moderate consumption of Polygonum multiflorum can also reduce the risk of fatty liver, cirrhosis, and other diseases. 4. Strengthen your body. Eating Polygonum multiflorum can not only nourish qi and blood, but also play a role in strengthening the body. Eating Polygonum multiflorum can supplement the body with some natural polysaccharides and a variety of active ingredients, which can not only improve the functions of multiple organs in the body, but also enhance the body's immunity and anti-aging ability, keeping our body young and healthy.